back and today mag-open na naman tayo ng parcels. Ito yung tatlong parcel na i-open natin today. And ngayon naka-receive na naman ako ng isang free sample. And then, 2 of the products na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Sariling binili. Ay, actually yung isa regalo kasi siya nagbayad ng parcel ko. Thank you. Kasi saktong dumating siya nung birthday ko. Itong first one, unahin ko yung free sample. Pinadala siya ng Hottie Diary. Tama ba? Hottie Diary PH. And actually, suot ko na siya. So, this is one of their shapewears. And as you can see, it has an adjustable strap, both sides, of course. What I can say about this, sinaraan ko na siya kasi gusto ko na agad makapagsabi ng kahit haunting thoughts. And ayun, okay naman siya. Super firm niya sa stomach. Gusto ko nga i-try with something like a dress. Kaso wala akong dress na parang fully matatakpan itong straps. Meron naman silang iba na natatanggal yung straps, pero ito hindi siya detachable. And as you can see kasi ayan, pag ganito yung neckline niya, kaya hindi pwede ipa-tube kasi baka lumaylay itong front. Wait, gusto niyo ba i-try ko with a dress? Try na nga natin. This is one of my favorite dresses. Kaya medyo natatago naman pala niya. Pero look, yung shape na nabibigay niya kahit nakaupo na ako. So, paano pa kaya pag nakatayo ako? Ang ganda, diba? And one of the things na notice ko lang, meron siyang hole sa crotch area. So, I think if gagamitin siya sa ibang bagay, kailangan niya pa rin mag-cyclist. Pero hindi naman siya noticeable talaga unless, syempre, aangat-angat mo yung leg mo. Pero feeling ko, meron siyang hole doon para kunwari, magsusuot ka ng shorts sa on top of the shapewear. Hindi siya may super sakit sa crotch area kasi parang magiging dalawa yung niya dito. Ang tawag doon, basta yung gitna ng damit.
If you want to lessen your hip dips, hide your stomach, enhance your legs and butt, then you should buy this right away. Plakado ang waistline, balakang, buong katawan at aura mo rito, be. Pwedeng ipang ilalim and pwedeng gamitin as is. I love it. This shapewear retails for around 292 pesos and comes in other colors such as brown and nude. They also have a wide range of sizes from small, which is the one that I have, up to triple XL. The fabric is stretchable, not see-through, and is honestly very comfortable and not itchy. Kahit maarte ako when it comes to body hugging clothing, bilhin mo na to, be. Link will be put in the description box.
Okay, next one na ipapakita ko sa inyo ay itong from Rockspace Official Store. Sariling purchase ko na to. Kasi lagi na lang ako nawawalan ng earphones, Bluetooth earbuds, ganyan. Bumuli na ako. Medyo pricey nga lang siya. Pero, feeling ko okay naman yung quality. Kasi maganda rin yung reviews niya. Sa Shopee ko to binili. By the way, if you want to see more of the free samples that I'm getting, you should follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok account. Struggle lang siya i-open. Pero it's good na secure yung packaging niya. Ala, ang pretty! Ayan na siya. Tada! Ayan. Hi-Fi experience, touch control, long endurance. Okay. So ba yan? Nasa likod ko pala. Kita po pala yung damit ko kanina. Nahilig kasi ako sa earthy tones or neutral colors lately. Ayan siya. Ang ganda. Ang pretty niya. Ito yung inclusions. It's so small. Very compact. So, pwede pag nag-gym ako. Kasi lagi talaga akong nawawala ng music pag nag-gym. Yung gamit ko before, yung Lenovo na, yung merong basay around the neck. And minsan, hassle din. Kasi ayoko nang pag napapawisan ako, may nakadikit sa nape ko. Oh, it's so pretty. Will you marry me?
This one is in color beige. This is the EB900 True Wireless Earbuds. And it works for both iOS and Android devices. Super pretty nito. Oh my gosh, buy it guys.
Last one. Yung sale ng Everbelana, parang from July 4 or 5 until the end of July. And sa sobrang haba ng time yun, of course, nakabili naman ako ng ibang lippy kagaya ng Tones of New York ko and the one that I'm wearing right now. Sobrang ganda nito in person. Burnt caramel na tinted lip serum. Tama ba? Basta ayun. Kaso, nung nakita ko naman to sa TikTok, patapos na yung sale, hindi na ako makalabas ng bahay kasi wala na akong lakad. So, ang ginawa ko, sa TikTok na lang ako nag-check out. Open na natin siya. ASMR. Maging ASMR artist na lang kaya ako. Ayan, ang ganda. Wala pa nga, ang ganda agad. Originally, it's 245 pesos. Infused with hyaluronic acid plus shea butter plus vitamin E. Ang ganda ng packaging niya din. Diba? It's so pretty. Sobrang nagandahan ako sa shade nito online, kaya kinuha ko na rin talaga siya. I have a lip balm na from Hello Glow, pero gusto ko ng tinted. It's such a pabebe pink, and I love it. So, ganito kadaming product makuha mo It's so okay na for the price, lalo na't nakuha ko siya during their 50% off sale.
I saw this product on a TikTok video and I immediately fell so in love with it. Can you look at that shade? It's so pretty, diba? It is non-drying and it feels so good on my lips.
If gusto nyong bilhin yung mga products na to, I will link them down below sa description box. Of course, ilink ko rin yung mga social media accounts ko and don't forget to follow me there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next one.